guys, welcome back. It's me Dan.
Guys, today we are in a mall. Look at all those dresses there. They're so pretty. Look guys, Dan is eating candy. And now we are about to go down the elevator. The mall is so big. Look guys, Dan is giving some candy to you. Now we are going up the elevator. Guys, we are buying a slushie now. We bought the red one. The slushie is so cold. Now we are outside of the mall. Look guys, Dan is trying to get the cat. Dan sees another cat. Wow, look, there's a grey parrot. Guys, look, Dan is saying hi to the parrot. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.